Franco, what is this?
Hippo.
Are you serious?
Hippo.
All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're heading to ZCon's People's Choice Car Show. We're going to be entering the cars, and we're going to see how we fare. And also, looking forward to meeting a few of y'all. I know Enthusiast POV is going to be there, so I'm excited for that. Been watching his videos for a while. Little bro there. I think my dad's going to come with us too. So we're going to go ahead and wipe the car down and head out. It'll work.
On the track, boy.
How you doing, man?
Doing good.
Yeah, good, bro. Yeah, man. Oh, man. You guys made it out here today, I see.
Yeah, man. We're not too far from here. No, I'm saying, I need to go holler at you, man. I need to get some shit.
Yeah, I was looking at it earlier.
I really appreciate it.
Scratching them off.
I was gonna say, your Q, you still have it?
I sold it Saturday, last Saturday.
Oh my God, that's what I'm saying. I haven't seen anything.
I saw-
I know you got the 370.
Yeah, it's over there. I'm sold.
I need to go check it out.
I sold it last Saturday.
Oh my God.
Sprinkle slider, yeah. It came with the. I mean, when I bought it, it came with mods and stuff already done.
Michael, look at the road.
Oh wow.
Those are the ones that he was talking about. Instead of getting the drilled and slotted,
yeah,
getting those.
okay.
Yeah,
I like the
sprinkle
seats.
slider.
The seats are hard.
Yeah, that's true.
On Nelson's, I don't think it had as far as this.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
How was the rest of the event? Did we get on the track on Thursday?
I didn't meet the tech star in time. Yeah, I had another set of wheels on the front of the track.
No, we were talking about Kansas.
Oh, back in Cuba.
Cuban? He's Cuban. We're Cuban.
You Cuban? We Cuban. Right?
Yeah, he's Cuban. My dad's...
Bueno, mi familia es de La Habana, originales de La Habana, pero los padres de mi mamá de Villa Clara. De Villa Clara. But I lived in Michigan for 20 years.
Yeah.
Nosotros venimos, ahora tengo 60, yo tenía como
60 dónde?
60. Y con eso de vivir yo tengo mis 2 años.
Yeah, Michael, that's all it is. So 33 is the 350. And All right, guys, we're heading up. They're about to announce the winners for each category. For some reason, they entered me in Infiniti Q. I mean, not Q, Other instead of Q, which is weird. So let's see what we place.
Third place is car number W10711. 10711. Come on up.
Hello.
Second place, W7311. 7311.
Thank you, brother.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Good. Turn that way.
And first place in the Infiniti Q class, car number 26811.
My boy.
First place, yeah, that's a good looking trophy. And come out to 311. First place in Infiniti Other class. Alright, Dobson Other category. Third place, 38811.
All right, everybody, we're leaving ZCon now. We actually won, we placed in one event or category, which was Infiniti Q. But for some reason, they put my car as Infiniti Other. So I won first place in that and second in Infiniti Q, since some people were confused on what kind of car I was driving. Michael, show him. I got my little brother in the back seat. Michael, show him. Okay. So, successful event. I had a lot of fun, met a lot of new people. Appreciate everyone's support, everyone that was so friendly and had a lot of questions for the car. Yes, it is a stock color. Like, it came from Infiniti or Nissan with this color, because that was the one thing I heard the most. But thank you guys so much, and I'll holler at y'all whenever we get back to the house. We're gonna go over a few things. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. I want to say that the giveaway is still going on. I'm going to be announcing a winner on the video I release on November 1st. Real quick, before I do, Franco, can you pass me the trophies, please? Wanted to give you guys a good look at the trophies from the ZCon Nashville event. Here's the first place one for Infiniti Other. And the second place one for Infiniti Q is the same, just slightly smaller. But thank you guys so much for watching. Link in the description for the video that has the giveaway. Comment done, along with being subscribed to the channel, and follow me on my Instagram page. I'll leave a link right there as well. See y'all in the next one. Papi, say goodbye.